Hi everyone, it's Rachel here, and I wanted to show you these journals that I had been working on with the printed fabric that I had showed you previously. So we'll start with this one, and this one is going to be in my shop. It's not spoken for. I haven't offered it to anyone just because it's Easter themed, so I thought I'd put it in my shop. So it's got the printed fabric, there's some hand stitching. This bunny Lulu drew, and then I did little flowers here, and then just added a bit of lace there, and yeah, just a bit more stitching around there. And it has these sari silk ties, hand dyed, and they're just knotted in there, so you can take them out if they're annoying, but I didn't want to do anything that wrapped around just because of all the overhanging fabrics. So I put one of these pockets in here that we made in the challenge, and it just has, let's see what this one has in there, just some little bits of ephemera, and then a tag here. This flips out. This is one of the first of the month envelopes, and it has a tag, and then I just put a little bit of ephemera in there. And then this is a side tuck with some printed out, and that's a journal card. I think I made that with you guys, and it's printed out tracing paper, and also it's the Midori style. So I mean, this little sort of journal, I won't say it's a TN Traveler's Notebook size, because I think I just sort of made the size up, but it can be removed and then it can be used. I mean, there's a bunny there, but that's not necessarily Easter. It can be removed and then and you can use it for something else. So there's a tag in there. I'll put it in afterwards. Just some plain paper. I did a little bit of stamping with my Makey stamps, and then just a little journal card there. And this flips up. So this is a vellum envelope, and then inside I put a tag in there. And then you can see the cute bunny in there. And then this is some hand stitching that I did. And then just a little tag, sort of pocket with a tag in it. Some what do you call it, ledger paper. I haven't done a flip through for quite a long time. Just a tuck made with a doily, tag in there with a journal card as a pocket, some stamping. Then this one flips out, and then there's a pocket there. I know I'm very late with these. I just took a long time. That's just a piece of printed tracing paper. So I used all my kits, the kits from last year and the kits from this year as well. So a little journal card there, and that's just a tuck. I attached a tag there because I thought it was pretty. This has got tracing paper, and then a little, oh, this flips open so you can write on there. And then here, this flips out. I've got some botanical page, some stamping. This is just a tuck. Probably need to put paper clip there. They do slip out a little bit. That's just a journal card and a tuck on the old book page. Another tuck there. A pocket here with a tag. And then that's the center, so you can see the elastic. You can take it out. This is a top tuck here with this cute tag. Some stamping. And then I made this a tuck as well. I extended the page, and you'll see what it looks like on the other side there. And then again, some hand stitching on that one. This is another pocket with a little tag on it, botanical page, and then it's got the vellum again. And why can't I get that out? What have I done? Oh, there we go. Cute, cute journal card. And then this is a pocket. Flip out here, and there's a tag in there. Then another side tuck here. I probably need to just crease it a bit better, might be do it better. Do a tab on there, some stamping, tag there, side pocket, and then more stamping. Cute journal card. And then that just flips up. I didn't want to cover that up because that's lovely. And then that flips out as well. Lots of flippy things. And then this is the envelope at the back, because it's an envelope journal, and then a long tag in there you could fit something wider in there, but I just put that tag in there, so I was able to place it so you could see. And then this is the little coin envelope, I think it is, and then that cute tag there. And then here I just tucked in a journal card there. So that is the journal that's going in my shop. So it's the blue one, the 354. And then let me just tie it back up, and then we'll flip through this one. So this one's same deal, printed on the fabric, did little flowers, and then I drew this little bunny, and then I just cut out a flower from one of my vintage sort of fabrics, and then just the plain on the back. So again, with the sari silk, I love the colours in this one. And then this, I've got a journal card here, super cute. And then here, oh no, I put something in there. And then that little journal card in there. And this is one of the pockets we made in the weekly challenge. And I just glued it down on two sides so you can tuck in. And then here is a first of the month. Isn't it cute? It's got bunnies on it. And then a little tag in there. Didn't put anything here. Did a little bit of collaging here. I didn't want to cover up the stamp. And then a tag in there. And then we've got a journal card in there as well. And then just pretty paper. This is the same as the other one. So this is a flip up, and put this, I think I'd made this last year, but I never used it. So that's in there. It's like a tag with a pocket. So that pops in here. And then again, like the other one, I put one of these tags in. Super cute. And then when we flip it over the other side, we'll be able to see it. There. So some of last year's paper, that flips out. And we might have done some of this on camera, I think. That is a flip as well. Then we've got some botanical, added some tabs here and there. That's a side tuck with a tag in it, a journal card in it. Again, we have one of these that for writing. A little bit of stitching here, hand stitching and stamping. And then side tuck with just a little journal card. And again, this is Traveler's Notebook, and that flips up here, and then journal card in the pocket there. So very similar they are. Some stamping, old book page, little side tuck with journal card, and then a side tuck here with a journal card. Same here, so cute. And then this is a little pocket there. And then here we've got a similar flip to the other one with the journal card in it. Tracing paper. Just a little flip there. I didn't want to chop off the bunnies. And then we've got a pocket here with a tag, some stamping, side tuck with this tag. And that's got some of my hand painted paper on it. And a little bit more stitching on this one. And then that's just a flip up. Little side tuck there. Ledger paper. Stamping. And then this is the envelope. And this one, I did this one a little bit differently. There's the tag in the envelope. I trimmed off the top there so it's sort of clean. It's not like, doesn't have the paper across there. And then this flips like this one. Like that. And then I put a tag in there. And then here, the same similar type journal card in this one. So this one I'm going to be giving away. I haven't done a giveaway for a really long time, just to say thank you to all of my subscribers. It's open to everyone, international. All you need to comment, I won't answer the comments. All you need to do is comment down below and say, enter me. And then I'm going to have two prizes. I'm also going to have this journal that I had made last year, and it had gone under some things and I forgot about it. So that's going to be in the giveaway as well, but that's going to be second prize and this is first prize. So two prizes. So just write in, enter me. The rules are you will have to be a subscriber. I will check if you subscribe or not. and you have to write enter me. Enter me into the giveaway. There we go. That's what you have to write. And that way you will be entered, and I will draw it on Monday, Easter Monday. I don't know what date that is. Today is the 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th. Monday the 5th. Yes, Monday the 5th. 3rd, 4th, 5th. Yes. Okay, because today's the 2nd. Yep, so that's a bit of a surprise. I won't write it in the title. If you watch the video, you'll know that there is a giveaway. Okay, so thank you for watching, and I hope you all have a great weekend. I may not get another video up today, I'm not sure. I might just get this sort of stuff done today because it's already in the afternoon. I've had a bit of a slow morning. Anyway, I hope you're all well, and good luck everybody, and thank you so much for all of your kindness and those of you who leave lovely kind comments. I really do appreciate it. And for all of your support. I really, really, really hope everyone is well, and I do wish you good luck from the bottom of my heart. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.